Amen. Sanbonani. Ninjani nonke kodwa. Okay. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic. A topic ehambisana nama bedroom issues. Okay, kuthiwa hang on. Right, I'm waiting. Right. Meanwhile, while I'm waiting for others, I'm going to give you the verse. Ngicela futhi ukuthi uNkulunkulu onamandla ongumthungameli wethu uJehova onokuphila ophilisayo owasidalayo sonke. Ngizocela ke ukuthi abe nathi asikhanyisele kule live yanamhlanje. Sikhuluma itopic abanye abantu bazoyithatha ngokuthi it's a taboo abomination, but it's actually not. Yabona, everything must be discussed ukwenzela ukuthi into zihambe kahle. Masihlala sifihlelana lento lena ebucayi kanje ekhoza ama divorce, eyenza ukuthi abo baba bahambe bayothenga, ekhoza ukuthi omama nabo baphume babe unfaithful. Angeke phela sazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Kumele sitshelana amaqiniso noma ngabe siyathandaza vele namakhashakasha ayasebenza herbal treatment phecelezi. Angithi nithanda mazibizwa ngesilungu. Mazibizwa ngesilungu nizithanda kabi. Right. Hebrews 13 verse 4. Uthi, let marriage be held in honor, right? Within marriage partners, to be faithful, no sexual immorality outside. Ngamanye amagama ichaza ukuthi akungabi bikho ozohamba yotshontsha ngaphandle. Kanti nala endlini kufanele kuphekwe phela kudliwe. Angisho. Isitshela ngaleyo nto le ukuthi there must be faithfulness, but there is usually a reason for unfaithfulness. Right. Into engizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. By the way, during the first introduction I did say I'm a medical professional. Ngizokhuluma ngabo mama. Omama, we are receivers eyibelethweni la. Right? Ayingibeke induku yami ngamosi. Omama, we are receivers eyibelethweni. Therefore, sinzala abantu. We bring kids on earth. Afterwards, ama muscles the muscles becomes weak, but eventually they get strength. They strengthen on itself by itself, ne? Right? But you need to enhance. You need to try and bring your muscles back to where they were, right? Let's say, for instance, you don't have a child. You're not yet there. What about the discharge? What about the fibroids? What about the cysts? During that time, you've got pains. You don't want to be touched. Uzoba unfaithful. Two, my patience one will never be cut. Thou shalt not cut my patience. Gamoya. I do have herbs for that, right? My patience one. Age kumfazi ozoba manzi. Akuna musadi otloba metsi for mona wa gagwe. Akere tshwantse be nice and tight. Uskaba metsi. You can't be too wet for mona wa gagwe, because what's going to happen? He's going to go by outside, and as a result, no more prayers. Hebrews 13 verse 4 is taken for granted now. Right? We pray, we are all prayerful. Yes, but the herbs are useful. Abo mama, you are receivers. 2 days when you complete your menstrual period, ama muscles aba weak. You have to bring back the heat. Bring back the heat because the muscles are weak. You just had your periods and some discharge is there. Get herbs, clean that discharge, right? Clean that discharge. Uskaba metsi. Don't be too wet. It's not enjoyable. Hey, it's not enjoyable. Abo puti bethu bayasitshela ukuthi hayi mkhulu hayi cha sesimane siyashada nje kuyabanda. You can't be like a fridge. You are a lady, you are a woman. You're supposed to be hot and tight. You can't be like a fridge. You can't have discharge umuntu ongumama. Ama panty liners, no. You're supposed to be dry and clean. Why ufanele ufaka ama panty liner? Usesikhathini ufaka ama pads nama panty liner. Awukho sesikhathini udlala ama panty liner. That's not on. Yes, I understand there is over some people have got glands that are over secreting the juices, but it mustn't be too much. It mustn't be too much. Some ladies yiphet usesikhathini yiphet engekho esikhathini. That's not on. That's not on at all. Hey, how does your husband feel or your boyfriend? Never, guys. Asitshelane namaqiniso la. Let's tell each other the truth. Right. Ama fibroids akhona malignant, akhona non-malignant. But both of them, they must be removed. Ama cyst, they must be removed because cyst yenza ukuthi ufile pain. When your husband enters you, there will be pain. There will be pain. Yeah, pain. Utenze njani? Do something about it. Do something about it. And some of those things are spiritually activated. Some of those things are spiritually activated. They are going to operate you, remove the cyst, remove the fibroids. I'm talking from experience, from what I saw in the hospital, and from what I saw in my temple. Right. Those things remila again, ziyamila futhi. They get removed today. After 6, 7, 8 months or 1 year to 2 years, they come back. Uzohlala wena unikeza umnyeni wakho ama excuse. Uzeleni pho emshadweni? Usile papa koluna. La ulanda ngapapa. Ulande ukuzojabulisa umnyeni wakho. Right? Ngibuye futhi kubo baba. Baba. 2 minutes noodles. It's a no. Flaxseed. It's a no. It's a no. Yes, I know there is your blood pressures that is affecting Abo Baba lately. There is sugar that is affecting most women in both sexes. There is stress, so good you want to be there in the society, you're competing, your friend bought a new car, you also want to buy a new car, you get stressed, therefore a graph goes down. It's a no. I've got herbs for that. Whether ngiklolele, whether ngiklolelanga, ama herbs okwelapha ayasebenza to everybody. Right? Don't get me wrong. Herbal treatment works for everybody because it's just like a pill. It is like a pill that you swallow and then it works in your system. Nani bo baba. I'm a prostate cancer these days. Maning. So what the herbs do, they're going to clean you inside and outside. And it's mama uklini. No discharge, no pain. Now, 2 minutes noodles. Hey, angeke phela. Flaxseed. Usabathe umntana abantu ukudlalisile Nkosi yami. Ama-herbs will clean you, will clean your system, will clean everything. Your toxins will be removed. Uzoba right to be clean. Then faithfulness will be there. No money will get out. Iyothenga. Yes. Ungawenza ama-acrobatics. Ungumama. Shy acrobatic. Man, shy acrobatic. Kodwa mawumanzi. Ay, ngeke. Angeke. Your husband won't feel, he will be confused. With am I inside or outside? Let's not do that. We've got the herbs for that. And we've got scientific proof that these herbs work. Ningazosokolisa abantwana babantu. Obhuti bethu. Njoba ngisho ukuthi they sometimes tell me say ayi Mkhulu ayi cha. Muhle yena iyolobhoni. Nkosikazi kodwa hawu Mkhulu. Ngicela ukhulume naye on the side. Yes, uzoyishaya acrobatics. What? Be clean, be dry. Not very dry or not very wet. Take the herbs, clean your system. And the herbs are antibacterial, are antiviral, are anti-cancerous. They are going to clean your system. Okay, I'm going to remove my prayer gown, right? And I'm going to demonstrate on your behalf, on your behalf, so that you know what's happening, so that you know what I'm doing, right? I'm going to demonstrate today because why? We want marriages to be saved, right? We want marriages to be saved. Skhathela ama divorce. Hayi ka ba divorce yona re khathetse guys. Eh. Hayi phela. Ukuthi uyohlala umanzi wena. Ama herbs ekhona never. Kufanele sinceda nini guys? Sitshelane namaqiniso. This is just to build you, not to hurt you, right? Oba. This is the steam one. Oh no, this is for drinking. Over half a cup exen emini ntambama. It's a mixture of about 60 herbs. La. You drink flaxseed, pale, it no more 2 minutes notice. Right? Oh mama. There's you plug the bucket. Steam siphume. I know you've seen a lot of steam, steam, but let me demonstrate, right? Yeah, she's steam. There we go. Right. It's going to pull all the discharge, all the dirty things. Like I've told you, umuntu ongumama is a receiver. Umuntu ongubaba dwi ahambe. Right? This is going to suck. The herb that I use, it sucks vigorously. You use it for 3 days, and then after that, there is another one. After this, right? Number 2, you wash. Right? You wash. After washing, that discharge is going to, okay, the herb acts like a coagulant. Right? It's going to pull all the discharge out. Then afterwards, you wash. There is another herb. It's step by step. You wash ilonda, all the little trash. Abanyo mama bayalunywa. They get itchy all the time. They're itchy. Right? You wash with it. If you itch, there is usually pimples inside, and the pimples goes from here up to there. Right? You wash. All the little sores are going to disappear. They're going to dry up. Right? Nasi enye. Ngayibona intuthu. Right? Nale. Stage 3 for omama. Omama is only 2. Omama is 3. Because why? They're receivers. Omama are receivers. Nazo. Today I'm going to demonstrate. I already put the herb inside. Right? As I want into right. Smoke must get in. Smoke in. Yeah. Smoke singing. Open your legs. Smoke. You can even put a towel. I didn't put a towel because I want to demonstrate. I want you guys to see. Skatela ma divorce, right? And skatela yukchelana manga. Sikatela nge pretense. I mean, I'm not going to pretend. I'm going to tell the truth. Right? Ayikho ehloniphisayo la. Right. Yakhisha le ntuthu. Way. Ingene intuthu. Ingene intuthu. Ufake ithawela la. Shayisha intuthu lana. Uzukusiya. Ma ingenile intuthu is going to be a little bit sensitive. Because iyelapha phela le ntuthu. Izongena ngaphakathi. In. Ibulali ilonda. Idonsa ama fibroids. Idonsa ama cysts from your system. Idonsa i-discharge engafuneki. Right. Remember, kunabanye abanama ex. Kunabanye that are still having different dates because they're not married. Basa try with you, John, Peter, James. You know, you are creating spiritual ties because you will come with discharge from that side to that one. Now, therefore, this one will help, right? You clean your system. Clean your system, clean your system, clean your system. Right? It's going to help you to clean your system before you move to the next person. We know, you guys does that. I'm cool. I'm talking from my own experiences. I told you that I'm going to sign a disclaimer. Whatever I share with you are the things that I've seen. Right? Mkhulu. John is my blesser, man. Mkhulu. I want to join la. We are shesh. Right? Peter is for marriage. Right, fair and fine. I'm not going to judge anybody here. But you are carrying spiritual ties. The blesser to the guy that you want to marry. Clean your system. Oh my God. Clean your system. Same as aboba. You drink. Uyachata. Ngicela nibheke ama video wami khona enye ngeke ngashare nani eyokuchatha. Asichatheni guys. Uzame nkosi yami uzuye bathroom uthi omunye wangixoxela wathi yo Mkhulu, I even go to the bathroom and wash with cold water. Lutho. Get herbs. Get herbs. Yes, I know a lot has been said about herbs, but our fun, namandla, our fun. Our fun. To some of us, Ubizo wasn't a decision. It was a gift. And the gift that you get forced. So I'm a servant of God and an advocate. I'm an advocate for the world. So I'm not going to lie and say, stay there with your wetness. Don't worry, he's yours. He paid lobola. Unsitse mahadi. Ukhokile lobola. Hey, uzohamba ayobhuka ntombo mawumanzi. Uzohamba ayobhuka. Uzobhuka. Baby booking. Uyobhuka. Angithi mina. They tell me everything. In fact, nobody tells me. I tell you. When you come to my temple, I tell you. Because I pull everything. Nyafemba. As you get in, I pull everything. Then I'm able to tell you everything. Right? Angifuni nje ukuba serious ngingene emoyeni. Ngoba ngiyayibona face yami siyaqala manje yashintsha. I pull everything. Ngitshela ukuthi hawo awubeka imali endlini. Stop booking ladies of the night. Athi we Mkhulu, ama ladies of the night Hi, they satisfy me better. Lungisa ke. Yabona lezi zinto enginenzisa zona la. Vele zithengwa yibo ladies of the night. Uyoqala uthi ladies of the night, ashikabe umama wengane zakho. Injalo. Nani bo baba angishiyi nonke. Prostate cancer, prevent it before it comes, because these days le iningi. Sugar, BP, abanye kusuka kuubizo, but still, even if it's ubizo, spiritual matters, when you use the herbs, siyabonga. Let's hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not gonna beat about the bush. Ngoba yabona nje iviki long, the whole of last week and this week, that is yesterday and today. I'm a pets kubo mama. Let's hope I'm not embarrassing you guys. I'm trying to teach you here. I'm teaching you here, guys. Let's save our marriages, man. Nani bo baba. Ha! Niyatsogolisa. 2 minutes noodles. Let's just cut that. Hey, man. Hey. I'm getting to warm up. How? Mama, I'm done. You're done. You're done, Ganjan. I haven't even started. Those things works. Yes, these chronic diseases as hlasele, but let's try and eradicate. One advantage of me being your teacher and your advocate, I know the diseases that I can heal as Godlweni. I know the diseases that I can heal in the hospital. Why? They will refer you, Baba, to the men's clinic. Oh, Mama, they will say, it's nice to be wet, it's nice. Hey, abuko bu wet, obu nice la. Let's not lie to each other. If you are too wet, and if, guys, keep your husband. Not to say we're working very hard to keep our husbands. No, basithandile, basishada, kodwa zikline phela nawe. Clean your system nawe futhi baba. Kuyafana. Let's stop bedroom frustrations. If frustration ayinandaba ukuthi you are male or female, we've got herbs for that. Right? Akusemnandi. Ayisemnandi topic. Kunidi standards. Siyathandaza, but amakhashana has to work. That's why I said go and read Hebrews 13 verse 4. Unfaithfulness. So angeke ubaba ngabe unfaithful, because dololo umlilo ilangabi alikho. Acrobatic ayikho. Thank you very much for listening. To those that are listening, I'm hoping this is going to help you, because it helped me as well. It's going to help everybody that is listening, that cares to listen. Mthunzi wezwe. Mkhulu Langabi. Salwazi sekhetla. Ongenamona. Ngoba ngifuna sonke sibe happy nicule. Asibe happy. Sibe fanele kube kanjalo. Nathi bo baba sivuke kuseni sijabulile. Omama ngokunjalo. It takes two to tango. Nitsawavute. Ngiyabonga mkhulu. Akube kanjalo, hope ni enjoyile, happy ni enjoyed, and you learned a thing or two. Hope you guys enjoyed. Ngiyabonga mina. Hope you enjoyed. You witness yona shame ngeke. angeke nje sibe wethi sikhona amakhambi ekhona angeke singatshelani nje wona mangala. Yes, uNkulunkulu usizoyisizayo. Ma uzohlala uwethi wena umshado uyaphela. Ngiyakutshela mntasi. Ngiyabonga mkhulu awavuthe.